Is your Mazda 6 alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, especially in 2014, 2021 models. The most frequent culprit is a faulty hood or liftgate switch. These magnetic or plunger switches detect if the hood or liftgate is open or closed. When faulty due to corrosion or misalignment, they send false signals to the car's computer. Another common cause is key fob problems. The key fob communicates with the car using radio frequency signals to arm and disarm the alarm. Low battery or signal interference can lead to communication failures. Overly sensitive alarm settings are another issue. The car's body control module, or BCM, has programmable thresholds for detecting disturbances. If set too low, vibrations from wind or nearby traffic can trigger the alarm falsely. These issues all cause false signals to reach the car's body control module, or BCM. The BCM is the central processor that monitors inputs from switches and sensors, controlling outputs like the alarm siren. Newer models, like the 2024-2025 Mazda 6, have improved alarm modules and over-the-air software updates to reduce false triggers. However, sensitivity issues can still occur in some cases. Fortunately, effective do-it-yourself fixes exist for these problems. By addressing faulty switches or resetting alarm sensitivity, you can often save hundreds of dollars on repair costs. Begin by checking the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or damage. These components frequently fail and can trigger false alarms. Next, try resetting the alarm sensitivity. Get inside the car and quickly cycle the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob multiple times, following your owner's manual for the exact procedure. If the reset doesn't work, check the key fob itself. Replace the battery or reprogram it, referencing Dealership Service Bulletin 09005-14 for key fob programming errors. For sensitivity issues, newer models may allow recalibration through software updates. For older models, consider adjusting sensor thresholds via the OBD2 port. Always verify that your solutions work by testing the alarm. If problems continue, take the vehicle to a mechanic.